This is Jimmy here, and I'm live out to you right now. And if you want to watch me, go good to YouTube. But my name's Jamie, but my computer says Adam, and I done that by an accident. So all my name's Adam. So yeah, can you come on, please? Like, just go this color. Oh, just saying that it's going rough. So it's going to be 2 minutes every night, and I'm going to talk to you about stuff. I'm in kickboxing. I'm in guitar lessons with my friend out of class. I'm not going to say the name. If you're watching this right now, please, when this video is over, please go to YouTube. I have it here. I'll show you. So I said something about Bart Baker. Bart Baker, just excellent. If you're watching this video right now, I hope you're happy and you're reconciled the funniest. I'm gonna pop you like a song, but this is disgusting me.